Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is profit and loss. In our daily life, we purchase or sell some items regularly. Okay, to understand the topic of profit and loss, we should take an example of shopkeeper. Okay, shopkeeper buy some items from the trader, okay, and sell us, we are customer. Okay, at which price the shopkeeper buy the goods, that is called cost price. With the cost price is price at which goods or items purchased, okay, is called cost price. Okay, and selling price, what is the selling price? Price at which goods or items sold, that is called your selling price. Simply, if you purchase something, that is your cost price. If you sell something, that is your selling price. Okay, if your selling price greater than cost price, how you know? Okay, take a simple example of a book. Okay, if you purchase a book from the shopkeeper, okay, but what the shopkeeper did? Shopkeeper purchased the book from the trader. It is a cost price. Cost price, if you consider 300, cost of one book is 300, purchased by shopkeeper to the trader. It is a shopkeeper cost price, and sell to customer 350. Okay, it is its selling price. Okay, if your selling price is greater than cost price, here selling price is greater. Okay, if your selling price is greater than cost price, you got profit. Okay, you got profit. How the profit is calculated? Selling price minus cost price. Okay, and if your cost price is greater than selling price, what happen? Loss. Okay, loss. How the loss is calculated? Okay, loss is calculated as cost price minus selling price. Okay, now to understand the concept of profit percent and loss percent, how the profit percent calculated? Now another one is profit percent. What is the profit percent? It is profit divided by CP multiply 100%, and loss percentage, loss divided by CP into 100%. Okay, these are the terms. Cost price, a price at which you something purchase. Selling price, a price at which you something sell. Okay, if your selling price is greater than cost price, that is your profit. If your cost price is greater than selling price, that's your loss. Okay, we take a simple 1-2 example. Okay, let the example, if you purchase a book of English, that is cost price 300 rupee 300. Okay, and selling price is 350. Okay, here you read here the selling price is greater than, so here selling price greater than cost price. Okay, so you got profit. What is the profit? How it is calculated? Selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price is rupee 350 minus cost price is rupee 300. Okay, it comes 350 minus 300, that is rupee 50. 50 is the profit of shopkeeper. Okay, now what is the profit percentage? Profit percentage. Okay, the formula is profit divided by CP into 100%. Okay, always profit and loss percentage calculated depends upon CP. Okay, so solve this. Profit percentage is equal to profit, that is profit is your 50 rupee 50 and cost price is your rupee 300 multiply 100%. Okay, you have to solve this. 2 zeros cancel with 2 zeros. What left? Rupee 50 divided by rupee 3. Okay, so rupee cancel with rupee, 50 by 3%. Okay, 50 by 3%. We can write 50 by 3 as 16 by 3%. 16 by 3% is the profit percentage of book got shopkeeper. Now I hope you well understand the concept of profit and loss. Okay, you have to remember in this concept cost price, selling price and profit, loss, profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay, thank you.